Welcome back, guys, to another flipping video. In this video, you're going to be watching me finish the hardwood flooring and start working on my bed. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's super sunny, it's super pretty, it's been great weather where I live, and all I can think about is getting out and flipping camping in this thing. We're doing the more intricate cuts. As you can see, we got this back left piece in. We just cut around the wheel well on this piece. We're going to put that full piece in on the top. We just got to trim like an inch off the top of it. And then we'll just have two more pieces there and two more pieces on this other side of the van. And the flooring essentially will be done. We are going to put some adhesive under it and push it down and put some weight on it. Just the floating floor kind of scares me in the off-roading and overlanding I'm going to be doing in this. But we are going to put some adhesive under it, and we're going to get aluminum trim around the whole edges of this. So it's going to look super sharp. It's already coming together great, but enjoy the time lapse. I can get working on my bed. I don't know if you guys have seen any van builds on YouTube, but a very popular bed is a pull-out bed, kind of couch style, that can convert into like a pull-out bed. So Today I'm gonna be doing the first half of that. I'm gonna be building the main frame that stays stationary. Alrighty guys, so what I'm gonna be doing first is I'm gonna be cutting the long lengths, and I've decided to go 70 inches. Sorry, I'm 5'9", and I think just a couple extra inches of room would be great. So I bought a bunch of these 8-foot 2x4s, and I'm gonna cut 2 down to 70 inches, and then I'm gonna cut the middle supports and then the legs, and pretty much just build the box today. All right guys, so these boards are 3.5 wide, these 2x4s. So 2 of them, that makes 7 inches. So I gotta cut the inside support off of those other 2 scraps at 17 to make this platform 24 wide. Let's cut them. Cut 2 right at this length. I'm just gonna trace this guy so they're the exact same wide, so everything stays super square. See how close I was. See if I gotta take anything off. Oh, perfect. Would you look at that? Flipping perfect. Okay, so I got my 2 middle pieces. They're gonna go there and there. And then I need 4 10-inch legs. So I'm gonna get those cut. A couple 10-inch legs. Guys, I'm running really late on this video. It's really late at night. I called for help on my brother and dad. We're actually in my dad's tiny house that he's building right now. It's nice and warm. We got power, we can see. Really, we have everything we need for the bed. It's just cutting it and putting it together. So we'll see how far we get tonight. It's a time crunch. I'm gonna work as hard as I can for an hour and see how far I can get.
What time is it?
9:20. By 10:20, I'll probably quit, so we'll see how far I can get in an hour. I'm probably not going to get anything done, but these 2 are going to get a lot done.
Alright, what's the next step? Because I don't know what you're doing.
Alright guys, so I'm sure you guys watching band videos have seen a ton of the pull-out bed style, couch style beds. And that's what I'm going for. But the whole point of this bed for me is storage. Obviously it's a place to sleep, but it's storage. So I made an identical top to my bed that's gonna have hinges that I'll be able to lift up this whole piece to get to my storage now. Next step is the bottom piece is gonna get 4 legs, 1 in each corner. And then this has got to get screwed on with hinges. And then we're gonna start cutting slats. And we also got to cut a front piece that's gonna connect to our longer slats that we can pull out to 48 inches. See what I'm throwing down though, Dad?
There you go.
Perfect. That's pretty cool. That's what I'm talking about, dude.
So that so you can access it.
Yeah, and about halfway here will be my kitchen going out. That'll pull all the way out, and then this back half will be like other storage.
So this guy will go like this.
Yeah, I'm still deciding if I want it like that or like this.
I like that.
Yeah, me
Be
too.
more rigid. Yeah, and then that'll just slide like that.
Yeah, it'll get 2 feet at whatever the distance is from that to the ground.
And then when
And
we
then
have
the
legs on
handles.
this,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, the legs.
they'll just fit flush here.
Yeah,
Heck yeah.
but it'll all be floating other than that latch on the other side. Okay guys, it's 10:15. We're stopping 5 minutes early. We got the main box with the lift up hatch built. Next week I gotta build the pull out part and cut all the slats and mount those. My bed's flipping ready. I can't wait to be camping at this thing.